All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Saturday's phrasal verb. Hang out. Hang out. Hang out. To relax and take leisure time. Yeah, relax. Yeah. We need to hang out. They are going to hang out more. Yeah. I always hang out here on a Friday night. I always hang out here on a Friday night. How cool is that? Yeah. I will hang out in the park this weekend. Yeah. I'm going to hang out with my friend on Sunday. Yeah. Yeah. Look at all the people hanging out. It is very social. Yeah. How cool is that? They want to hang out with me. Oh, why do they want to hang out with me? Well, how can I hang out with them? Well, how can I hang out with them? I'm busy and I don't know them. I am busy and I don't know them. Yeah. How cool is that? So we could then say, I hung out with them yesterday. I hung out with him while I visited the city. Yeah, back in June. Or July even. July, yeah. How cool is that? I'm hanging out now. I'm hanging out in the pub. She is hanging out in the library. She's always there. Yeah. I'm hanging out. Well, he is going. He will be hanging out in the park by now. He will be hanging out in the park by now, roughly. Yeah. What happened? When that happens, then I can hang out later. Yeah. I have work to do now, and then I can hang out. Once my work is done, then I can hang out in the countryside, traveling and hiking. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. I like to hang out in the countryside. I like to hang out in the countryside. Yeah. We want to hang out in a nice city. Yeah, a nice place. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah, to hang out together. We need to hang out. We need to hang out together more. More. How cool is that? Yeah. So, can you use hang out in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.